Hello, my name is Daisy Milena Perez. I am a student in Engineering Industrial at UNAD. This is the development of the task. Explain the statement mentioned in the video. The statements mentioned in the video are: relax, don't try to translate, use context help you understand, practice with different situations and voice, make a study plan. At the beginning of the video, they tell about some situations. Name at least two of those situations. You are listening to an English teacher speaking breezy English, speaking slowly, speaking clearly, easy or hard. Then you are listening to a native Englishman talking about Scotland, who is speaking with a Scotsman accent and also uses a lot of English jargon and language. What do you did? Well, will it be X of difficult for you? In the 31 minutes, another language is spoken. What language was that? Portuguese. What were the two rules for the fifth step? 1. Do some type every day. 2. Do some type different every day. What is the lesson plan they propose? Monday, listen to 1-2 songs and 2-3 times each. Tuesday, listen to a podcast with American voice. Wednesday, 15 minutes from a UK TV show. Thursday, do a listening exercise on a textbook. Friday, 15 minutes from a news program. Saturday, 15 minutes from a whole movie. Sunday, call and friend and spend 15 minutes speaking in English. What kind of lesson plan would you propose? Monday, listen to vocabulary in English. Tuesday, listen to a family program in English. Wednesday, 15 minutes of a canon movie. Thursday, 15 minutes of news in English. Friday, 15 minutes of a TV show. And Saturday, 15 minutes of a report in English. And Sunday, listen to 1-2 songs in English and 2 and 3 times. Hope to stick to your plan. Make the plan at the beginning of the week. Write it down. Place it somewhere in your home, such as pairs or in the refrigerator. Did at what time of day do school practice English? Are you better in the morning or in the evenings? Try to do your ears practice when your brain is at lowest time. And then when you do your listening practice every day, take it up for your playing. This way you'll see what you were doing every day. Considering the video, where can you get English practice material? In Google or the search engine of your choice. There are many things out there that are free if you have an internet connection. Thank you. Bye-bye.